You can see my screen now, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Connecting to system. I think you can't see my screen. Now you can see my screen, I think, right? It's hello.
Yes, sir. We are able to see your
Now you can
screen.
see, right? So okay. So let me get into the data element concept. Very, very good concept. More or less every program, every screen, you see this data element concept. So you can create one data element here. You can create one data element. This is the data element. And this can be used across the tables. This is table 1. And table 2. Reusability basically. Inside the table 2. To specify the data type to the field. That's the concept actually. What the exact purpose of the data element is, you can specify the data type to the table field. So same data element you can use in this table also. Even you can use to the program as well. Inside the program as well. We'll go to here. To program as well. Here also you can use this one. Same data element, reusability. Here also you can use it. Okay, so in this system, what I do is quickly I show you once again how to create the data element, because this is some other S4HANA 2023 version. No? If I go to S11, okay. So already I created a employee data. So I mean, maybe I will create now department details. Z, M, DEPT details. So Z is must or Y, Z or Y is must, because we are creating our own tables, not SAP Power tables. Now after that, this is the freely meaningful name you should give here. Click on create. Give here as department table. Go to size category, delivery class, master and transaction data, display maintenance load. Go to the field, right? Give the first field as client field, MINDT. Data element is MANDTZ, standard data element. Use the primary key and create a department number, for example. Department number, right? And make it as primary key as a unique department number. See here. Now what you are going to give here will give the properties to this field. That's the concept of data element here. So data element is like one call as one repository object in the ABAP SAP terminology. Hence, you must do Z or Y here. Z M DEPT DEP number. This is the name of the data element. Either you can double click here, right? Was saved. Do you want save before exit? Yes. Same process. It will ask the package. Okay. Choose the package here. Search with existing package, or you can create your own package, as I said in the last class. So you can choose here Z star. Somebody's package also I can choose, no problem. Click on save now. It lost the transport request. Create a new transport request. Click on create. And go here. Table or demo. It stores department data. Like this, it should be very meaningful name you should give. Meaningful description you should give. You can give also the date as well if you want here. 11 October 2020. Like this. Maybe especially for you, Chari. So you can suggest in your current project if they are not following this way, short description. No? Maybe if anything they are following randomly, you can suggest this way, especially with the date. Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will suggest.
This is one of the best practices.
So making the data.
If better to give in the date as well here, so that by seeing the transport, you can see that date have been created.
Okay, sir.
And maybe check it. Most of the times people don't use this project name, even project is available. Because it is not a mandatory here.
Yes, yes.
But if they made it, this use it is very good. So that we can track. Right? So for one specific projects, what transport request we operate is very useful in latter point of time. So consolidation point of view. Whether you choose the project name or not, it won't make any changes to the attribute or the functionality of what you are going to create to save in this transport request. That's why people generally don't choose this one, because it won't give any functionality effect, it won't have.
Yes, sir.
Right? That is the reason. Save it now. Done. So this transport request where you can see is
It will
SC09. 09. Save it here. Right now, one more pop-up has come saying that this data element is not existing. Do you want to create this data element? Right?
Yes.
So click on S. Then it will take you to SC11. This is SC11 only actually. If you go to SC11, no? Here. This is the same. If you go to here, also you can create. I'll show you the next one. Now you are creating the data element. Means data type. Nothing but data type only. Data element means consider that as you are creating a data type. Your custom data type. This one, data type, global type. You here, department number.
We don't have a standard data element, sir. We have to create.
If it's, I mean, if it is available, not required. We don't choose, because this is just for demo things we are doing, so that to understood the how to create the data element, we are doing it. Otherwise, we don't need to create. So we can use search that existing data element here. Here you can search in this.
So this data element is any
Here.
field value or text value? What type of it is?
It is a data type only. Whether what information you are going to store, You are
Okay.
going to mention that here. Here, in this, now what you are going to here is, you are going to create a data type now here, built-in type. Okay, so means you are mentioning this name. This is the name. This name, you are mentioning that what is the data type. Right? For example, if I give numeric
Okay.
3, for example, what the meaning of this one is, any field referring to this data element can store numeric data with three digits value. That's the concept. This is not a value. This is 3 digits size 3. I mean, a value of 3 digits. You'll see once you enter the data. Next, go to field label here. Give the field label here as, say, maybe 10 characters of this length, what you are giving here. Department number. And 15 DPT number. And 20 department number. And 25 department number. This is the column heading. Save it here. Trust again package, use the same package. Same transport text. Enter. Check syntax. Activate. Click on back button here. Observe here. Automatically this department number, this short description and numeric 3 came automatically from this data element. Now this data element you can use in any number of programs or any number of tables. See your data element now. This one you can use here, maybe Z department. In this you are creating one field, DEPT number. For this you can use this data type. And for example, table 2. In the table 2, some employee information you are creating here. In this also you have a field department number. For this also you can use this data element. And in the program, if you go to the program, suppose you want to declare one variable to store the data in the runtime. Data v underscore DEPT number type. Like this you can also use. Now what you are doing, you created one data element. The same thing you can use in this table, and this program as well. This is a reusable concept. Data type. This is data type only. Any question here? No?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Huh? So We'll create one more data element. Right? Department number. Department name will create. DEP NAM. Department name. Here, see here. You can hear me, right? Voice clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, I'm able to hear. We are able to hear.
See, the earliest step, I navigated from here. Now I can create directly through SC11 also. Go to SC11 directly. Go to SC11. Give the data type name here. Z DEP name. Okay. Click on create. If you want here also, you can, when in the practice system, you can give the date as well. But in the real-time projects, you will be given the instructions. That only should follow. Click on create. Now use the data element here. Press enter here. 3 options will come. We'll see one by one what is this one letter. Now data element, choose the data element here. The same skin what you have seen earlier. Okay, you can give here department name. And don't built-in type. Right, go to here. Right, department name, you can choose the character data type. Say maybe 20 characters here. Okay. And then go to the field label here. Give the field label here is 10 department name. 15 DEPT city. 20 department city. 25 department city. Save it here. Package. Enter. Check syntax. Activate here. Done. Right. Click on back. Now this data element you can apply directly in the other skin. Go to here. Here. I can copy paste here. If I copy paste here, what happens? Do you see this information came automatically? So what is the meaning of this one is, this field can store the data now numeric 3. This field can store the data character 20. This is the concept here. Check syntax. If you want to give, you can give department city as well. Department city. DEP 1, 2, 3, 5. So I'll give 5 characters on this one as well. Go to here, Z DEP C. Right? Press enter. Double click here. Click on yes. Do you want to create data element? Yes. Go to here. Department city. Go to the built-in data type. Means you are defining the data type here. Character 20 or 25, for example. Okay. Go to the field label. Give here 10 as DEP city. Right? 15 department city. 20 department city. 25 Okay. Department city.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yes, yes, we can ask.
So previous we created one table employee record. At that time
Ah,
we are not giving the data element. Now we are giving the data element.
ah,
So data element is mandatory to create the table or optional?
not mandatory, optional. But if you don't use the data element, did you observe what was happening? So it was coming the plus symbol when you were entering the data. Now plus symbol won't come with the data element.
The symbol where it is.
While you were inserting the data through SM30.
Okay.
Then I went to screen and I changed the data text. So data element purpose is reusability. Earlier case was not reusability, right? You have given the built-in type. I'll show you now.
Yes,
How
yes.
does it- Check syntax here. Save it here. Save it. Activate it. Back here. Right? See here. Earlier you have chosen the built-in type. Earlier case here. You have
Yes.
given directly here.
Yes, yes.
So in that case, there is no reusability. Now, if you give the data element, there is a reusability here. The same data element you can use in the multiple programs and tables. Not only
Okay,
that.
okay. So for the
The,
table we can use for only specific only. But
ah,
if you create, you can use in multiple tables.
Same data element. And the programs also you can use. Not only that, there is other features as well. You go to here. There is one more tab here. You see here. You can attach a search help also here. Search help. This we'll see later.
No.
And you can also give the parameter ID for us for taking the default values when you go to transaction. For example, whenever you go to MM03, for example, right, it gives you the default latest material number what you have created, right?
Hmm.
So those concepts will come through this parameter ID only. So we'll see that practically. This is possible only through the data element only. This is for business name only. For BAPIs and all, we will mention here also what is the meaning of this one here. Because this meaning they don't know, right? This one. And this one is change document and no input history. You might be knowing the change documents. Whenever you make any changes, it will store inside the change log. Change log. And this no input history is for like whenever you are entering any confidential information. Right? Once we enter the data, next time when you go to the table, insert the data, it should not come the previous data what you have entered. For that case, also you should go for data element, no other option. You see this practically, parameter ID, search help and all later. Okay, any questions here? Check syntax here. Right, activity. Do you see if you check syntax, you are not getting the warnings what I showed you morning? Because morning I was used for that time ECC system. So now that in this HANA system, they have taken off that warning concept, warning what it was coming for data type enhancement concept. Okay. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Now next step is same. Check syntax. No syntax, activate. Right? When you are activating, it goes to this screen. You should give the mandatory values here. Right? Type of based on the type of the data, master data, and then size category here. Okay. Save it here.
So syntax in the sense of calculation or activation, sir?
Syntax is like checking only the any guidelines of the code or any problems are there, that check only will happen.
Okay.
Anything, anything we have not entered the mandatory information, those things will happen.
Okay.
For a table, not a great meaning we can tell about the syntax check, but program is when you go to program, it checks all the syntax means guidelines, right? Syntax means like a specified guidelines of a programming language.
Step by step process.
No. Definition syntax like
Yeah.
you're declaring the variable, there will be syntax whether you are
Oh,
doing correct or not. That
okay.
one.
Okay, sir.
Now give this back. Press enter here now. Right now your table is active. Now to insert the data, you should not go here and you should insert the data. Why? Because user will not access the table you are creating is not for us, right? Not for the ABAP developers. This is for the users. Users is separate authorization. They cannot access SC11, they cannot access SC38 like that. They can access only specified business transaction codes and our SM30 like this only. So they will go and try to insert the data into this table. Take this table, go to SM30. /o SM30. Give the table name here. Click on editive to insert the data. What it is saying? It is saying that you are not set the pre-request has not been maintained to insert the data into this table. There is a meaning here. The maintenance dialog for M department is incomplete or not defined means something you are not done, completion you are not done. For that, what I said is go back. Practice this after today class, this one. Otherwise, by looking, this will be easy only. Go back. Click on SC11. Right. Go to utilities. Table maintenance generator. Right. Here you should give the table name here. Copy paste here table name as a function group name. And go to here. Choose authorization here. I think this should be available.
Yes,
Right? You can see here NC. There is NC here. Right? Means anyone can enter the data into this table. That is the meaning actually here. Now two step. But I'm telling two step. One step is homework for you to do it by tomorrow. 100. 200. Click on create. When you click on create, so it is going to create a table. Sorry. Two skins, 100 and 200. And this function group also it generates system automatically with this name. Click on create. Click on save. Right? Save it. Now same transport request I have used. Enter. Again, save the package. Right? Table is created now. I mean, a table maintenance is being done.
It's
In the
available to the user to create.
it is called SAP terminology. We call it as in the short form. We call it TMZ like that. TMZ means table maintenance generator.
Oh, okay.
This is the meaning. Once you do the TMZ, you are enabled the table to insert the data into the table through SM30. That's the meaning actually.
Once TMG is done only, we are able to maintain the data, right?
Into the table.
Yes.
Without that also you can maintain, but not through SM30, but through SC11
SC11.
and through ABAP program also. That we'll discuss later when we start the programming. Through ABAP program also you can insert the data without TMZ. EMG is manually to insert the data. Manual means to going to SM30. Now if you go to here, right, go to here, table maintenance, click on edit now to insert the data. See now, do you see here now? You don't see any plus symbol that you got last time. While you are inserting the data, it was coming plus symbol here. Then I went to system status and changed that one here. I went here and I changed it. Right. So all those things not required now because we have used the data element. Now you can create a new records. Click on new entries. Right. When you create a new transport request, it comes like this now. New department number. 100. City. See, but both is coming department city only. So could be what could be the reason? Think of. Why it is coming? Here department number is coming. Department city is coming. Department city. What could be the reason? Where think of.
Based on data type,
Why this one? This one.
yes, yes,
Both should not come department city, right?
yes, yes.
So if you go to here, right, go to the table here, back, right? Department name should come. Go to here. Go to field label. See here. I have not given department name here. I have given department city. It has taken this one.
So it is
Good.
taking medium.
Medium. This will take by system automatically in the SC SM30. In the module pool other programs, when you go, you can choose what you need, L or M. Now I'll change this one to department name. Go to here. Right, department name. Department name. Department name. Or if you want to give, you can go department name here. Department name law. Department heading. Yes. To differentiate if you want to give. Yes. Save it here. Check syntax. Activate now. See, if you don't activate it, it won't affect what the changes you have done here. It won't affect it. If you just save now, right? Now if you go back and check it, right? It's not reflecting, right? Now go back, right? Back, go to edit, right? See, it is not reflecting because we have not activated. This is the concept of purpose of activation. Purpose of activation. Go to here. Activate now. Activate. All right. So when you activate, this pop-up will come. What this pop-up will tell? What the purpose of this concept? I mean, this pop-up. It gives a list of inactive programs or tables and all. By default, it has been selected this one. Means with this is what you are going to activate. Press enter here. Now this is activated. Now go back. Right. Go to where you are entering the table here. Right. Back. Where you are inserting the data. Back. Go to edit again. Department city is coming. Back. Go to SM30. Click on edit. Do you see now department name has come here? Hello? Right? Department name I can give as computers. Department city I can give as Hyderabad. Save it here. Right? One record is saved now. You click on back, you can see one record here. You can see this table in SC16N also. Go back. This table you can see the data through SC16N also. Go to /more SC16N. Right, you can see here as well. Table name. Go to here. Give this table name here. SC16N is users will use to see the data. SC16N. Go to here. Give the table name here. Right? Click on execute. You can see the data, one record here. See, you see only the name of the technical name. The technical name is the data element here. Now this data element, right, you can use inside the ABAP program also. Or if you are creating one more table, employee table, there also you can use it. I can create one more table quickly, employee table. No? Try to understand. I'll go to employee table. Again, from the scratch, I'll create and practice these things. So it will be very, very interesting. C11. I'll go to here, get a new employee table. This is the department table, right? Control C. Later we can create a relationship also for this too. This is the department table.
For previous table and current table, we are making the relation.
This foreign key maybe I'll take next, it like time. So next class I'll take. Now I'll create one more table. Then I'll explain again the data element purpose, different standard tables. I'll take another, I'll explain concept. Now I'll create a department table. Z EMP details, right? 11 October. October. You should make it this table as simple as possible, not to full length. Click on create. Right here. Department. employee table, right? Go to here, the every class, choose every class, maintain some node, go to the fields, choose the data element name, MANDT, MANDT, all right, make it the primary key. Next, employee number, give the primary key, employee number. So Z E number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ZE. Okay, press enter here. Right, employee number is not accurate. Double click here. Click on S. Right, go to the package, save the package. Press enter. Go to here. Do you want create data element? Yes. Then give here as department number. Okay. Go to build it type. Give as numeric length, say 3 digits. Field label. This is employee number, right? Not department number. So employee number. And give here as 10 employee number. 15 employee number. Employee number 20. $25 employee number. Save it here. Package. Enter. Check syntax. Activate here. Right now employee number. So employee name also will give. EMP name. Right, go here. EMP name. Right, press enter. Double click here. Click on yes. We want to create yes. Employee name. And go to here, built-in type. Character 20. Right, go to field label here. Go here is employee name. $15 employee name. E25. Save it now. Package. Check syntax. Activate. Click on back. So you want to maintain an employee, which department number he has been assigned to, you want to maintain it. Then go to here. Give the department number, DEPT number here. And then go to here. And the data element you don't need to create because already you created, right? That's the concept. So reusability concept. Go to here. Check the other table. Right? Department number already you created. Use this data element. Copy. Go to here. Copy paste here. Are you getting what I'm trying to do now? This last field. I am not creating my data element. Already I created. This one already I created 10 minutes back. So hence I am using inside this table also. To give the data type to this field, press enter here. Save it. Check syntax. Activate now with the data here. Size critical 0. Check syntax. Enter. Activate. Back. Activate. So this is how you insert the reusability. Now one more reusability is you can use this employee number or anything or department number in the ABAP program also. Data element. Go to create a new ABAP program. Go to new ABAP program. SC38. Give us new program name starting with Z. Right? Usage of data element. Usage of data element. Click on create. Okay. Why this array is coming? Think anyone can tell? If you start practicing now, you'll get this type of error, sure, definitely. What could be the reason this error is coming? I am trying to create one program.
You are not giving SAP package in the table back.
No, no.
Authorization group, sir?
No. Check the program name, you will get automatically solution.
Z.
Because I am not use the Z. It considers as SAP program. I should use Z or Y, anything is fine. Z. Now it will allow. At the beginning only, first character only Z, it must be Z. Click on create now. See, it will allow now. Program follow. The usage of the data element. Go to type executable program. Save it now. Go to the package. To the package here. Enter here. Now inside this program also you can design for parameters, for example. Parameters in ABAP means for user input here. I can give here P underscore department number here. And type. Directly I can use the data element name here. Data element name here is this is the data element name. This one. I can go directly here. Now P underscore DEPT number is your parameter, like a variable. It takes the input from the user. And what type of input it takes? Whatever the data type you mentioned here. It takes numeric 3 only here. Double click it shown here. Check syntax. Activate. If you want display one write statement, you can display. Go to here, write. Right. Demo of usage of the data element in ABAP program. We'll see what is this, how to write statement and all later. This is output statement. Display the output what you mentioned here. Slash is for new line character. colon is, if it is more than one line is required, otherwise colon is not required here. Now check syntax, activate, execute. And here department number entered by the user is right here, p underscore DPT number. This will print in the output. Check syntax, activate, execute. See now, you can enter the department number 100 like that. Execute. This is the reusability. You are using a data element inside the ABAP program. Okay, so this is what we have done here. If you go to see here, this we have simulated now. I created a data element. I used it in this department table. Employee table I have used, and in the ABAP program also I have used. This is the complete concept of your, not complete, the concept of data element. Very important concept. So now suppose if you take a MATNR as the data element here, you go to here. If you go to MATNR here, right? This MATNR is using n number of tables. Mara, Marcy. Mardi, MRD, right? So same data element you are, I'll show you how the system. Go to here, draw. It'll take another 5 minutes. Go to here. So the same data element you are using here, okay, and also you are using inside this table, and also you are using inside this table only also. Okay, I'll show now. So where you see the data element name is MATNR, you can see. For example, if you don't know, you know Mara table, for example. Go to table Mara. / Mara. Table name is Mara. So what is the data element name for MATNR? What is the name of the data element? If you see my screen now, what is the data element name for MATNR?
MATNR only.
MATNR, right? So this is MATNR. You can double click here. Take you to data element here. Okay.
Here same MATNR element can we use our custom table, sir?
Very much we can use it. This now I am going to tell you as a homework. I'll give it to you. Now back. Go to MARC table. Click on display. Right? Here also you are using the data elements here. This is MARC table. Here also. Right? And if I go to MARD here, display, here also you are using the MATNR. Like this, so how do you know in which places it is using is, I'll show you. This is also interesting here. Suppose if you go to department table, no? Right? Just now we created one table, right? Their department table, no? Inside that, I use the data element here, this data element. Suppose you want to use in which programs and which tables it is using, right? Go to S11. Go to data type. Copy paste here. Click, there is a button here, where is it list button. If you click that, it lists out in which places you are using here. There is one more structure came. Choose the table fields, or maybe you can choose all as well here. Select all option will be there. Press enter. See here. By seeing this, what you can have understood, think and tell me. What is the meaning of this one? Because it's saying that you are using
Multiple levels.
in this table you are using, in this table you are using, inside this program also you are using. That's the meaning actually here. If you double click here, it take you to there. You are using here inside this data element. Back. If you choose double click here, it takes you other table. You are using here as well. If you double click here, it will go to the program as well. You are using inside the program also. Means wherever you are using, it lists out all the places. Like that for MATNR also you can find out here. Go back, go to MATNR. Data type, give MATNR. And click the button where is list button. Click on where is list. Choose all in this button, select all, press enter. See, why it is taking a lot of time is because it is using in so many places, this MATNR, maybe hundreds of tables. See here, it has come all the places where they are using here. Right? So many places, search app, so many places they are using. If you want to make it more simple, back, go to where is list. Choose only table fields and maybe the programs here. Or only table fields if you choose. How many tables they are using, it show. How many tables it is using? See here, 3162. Means 3162 tables they are using the same data element. This is the exact concept of reusability. Clear? Hello? So I'll give you a homework. What you can do is you can create one new table yourself. What I created, you also create the same thing. Okay. And you create one table with respect to Mara table here. Create a Z Mara. Okay. In this one, what fields you can take is MANDT, field names. MATNR, MTRT, MATKL. These fields are enough. Take this table, create a table. How to create a data element? You should take from the standard. You don't need to create. First create your own data elements. So then use the standard one. Both way you practice. It will be very interesting. Suppose you are creating this table. For this data element, don't create. Or you can create your own ZMA entity. What I showed you in the today morning. For MAT also create your own data element with this size. What size? Go to standard table. Go to standard table Mara. Go to standard table Mara. You can choose the data element name. I mean, number of data type and size you can see here. Character 40. You should create with character 40. And M8 inner MTRT also you can see here. Here. What is the data type and size for MTRT? Tell me here by seeing the screen. What is the data type and size? Character 4. Character. MATKL is char 9. You should create like this. MBRSH also. After MATNR. MBRS after MTRT. MPRSH. Yes. Create like this. Create a new table. Okay, I do this one as a homework. You are seeing my screen, no, right? No?
Yes, sir, we are able to see.
You are seeing my screen. I'll put it in our group.
So will you
So-
provide the SAP system access or we need to take?
No, I'll provide.
Okay.
I'll provide as part of course. Okay. 3 months I'll provide.
Okay. S4 HANA, sir?
Latest I'll provide 2023 with Adobe Forms, everything working. S4 HANA.
Sir, it is only for ABAP sessions or can we use other modules as well?
Recently, they made a separate system for ABAP
Okay.
and functional. Up to some extent, you can use it. No
Okay.
problem. You can use it.